All right, one of the easiest ways to make a recurring monthly income just got easier. All right, so let's jump straight into this video. Now, there is a money-making opportunity out there that goes by the name of instant recall. I've been talking about it for several months now. Super excited about this opportunity because, like I just said, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online every month if you are into network marketing or affiliate marketing. Because this opportunity is very, very simple. When you refer people that sign up, you get paid. It's that simple. No catches, no scam, no hustle. If you can refer people and you are willing to get out there, grind and hustle, you can make money. So as great as I thought instant recall was and this opportunity, as simple as it was, there was one thing that kind of was missing with this opportunity, and that was having its own sales page that you can actually show people. So this really didn't affect me too much because I created my own lead capture page with Leads Leap, and this allowed me to collect people's email and kind of create my own sales page. But I understand, and the company Instant Recall obviously understood that, a lot of people, don't have capture pages. A lot of people didn't know how to create their own sales pages. They just wanted to promote Instant Recall and the opportunity that it has. So about a week ago, the owner of Instant Recall actually sent out an email to all of its affiliates and basically said, hey, we got sales pages now. You can actually direct your leads to an actual page where people can just jump in and get started with Instant Recall. You don't have to, before you would just send people to like the download link to download the Instant Recall app, right? That's what you would do. And then you would kind of have to walk people through the process yourself or just hope they figured it out. Even though it's easy as hell to figure out, some people just need to be like, hold their hand a little bit, right? Just to get started. And I guess that's all right. Now, if you want to become an Instant Recall affiliate and start earning a monthly recurring income, all you need to do now is just send people directly to the sales page that you get once you sign up as an affiliate of Instant Recall. So this really makes things super easy because once you send people to your sales page, there's a video on there and it explains everything a person needs to know about Instant Recall and the opportunity and the earning potential that it has. So if you send somebody to this page and they don't sign up after seeing this sales page, then they're just not into it. Like, you shouldn't have to go back after someone sees the sales page. You shouldn't have to really follow up and be like, so, I mean, come on, you want to join? Seriously, don't you understand? Look how much money you can make. If they don't understand by watching a video, you don't want to mess with them anyway. They're not serious, so it don't even matter if they don't get it after seeing your sales page, right? That's just life. So if you were thinking about becoming an Instant Recall affiliate and building up a monthly income, it just got easier to do, y'all. So normally when I talk about Instant Recall, I send people to my capture page, right? I get the email and then I walk them through all the instructions on how to get started. But in this video, I'm going to show you what you will get as an Instant Recall affiliate and what you would show people, all right? So when you click the link in the description, you're going to see the page. Watch the video, right? Follow the steps and get started with this opportunity, because when it comes to making money online and affiliate marketing, network marketing, it doesn't get any easier than this. So like I just said, you want to get started with Instant Recall, click the first link in the description of this video and get started.